Welcome to our video of what's in the Everything DiSC on Catalyst Facilitation Kit. The Everything DiSC on Catalyst Facilitation Kit provides you with the materials you'll need to facilitate an Everything DiSC on Catalyst training session or workshop, whether for fundamentals, workplace, agile EQ, or management. In the Facilitation Kit, you'll find a specific folder for each of the Catalyst applications, a program guide, a link to the Everything DiSC on Catalyst Facilitator resource site, where you'll find additional materials to support your sessions, and a link to register your facilitation kit. Be sure to do this because it's how you'll learn about any updates available. All of the training modules included in Everything DiSC on Catalyst can be facilitated either in a classroom setting or virtually, and come with separate facilitation materials for each of these modalities. Use the Classroom Facilitation Guide if your training will occur in person, with all participants gathered in the same location. Use the Virtual Facilitation Guide if participants will be connecting via a webinar or video conferencing tool. The two versions deliver the same core principles and insights, but there are small differences in the activities, materials, and instructions in order to accommodate the differences between in-person and virtual training. We highly recommend starting with the program guide to get a high-level overview before digging into the kit further. The program guide contains an overview of all of the Everything DiSC on Catalyst content, plus resources to help frame the session, prepare the training, and plan your timing. It's really a map for you as the facilitator and where you'll start to prepare for the participant experience. Once you've reviewed the program guide and know which format you'll be delivering in, you can dig into the modules a little more. Whether you are delivering in person or virtually, the materials for each module are organised in the same way. We're going to use Fundamentals as an example to show you what you have access to. Within the Fundamentals folder, there are three subfolders: Classroom Facilitation, Virtual Facilitation, and the third folder contains all of the video transcripts in case you need them. As an example, let's take a look in the Virtual Delivery folder. You'll see here that you have PowerPoint presentations for Fundamentals Module 1 and Module 2, the Facilitation Guide, and if this module used handouts, you would see them here as well. All of these tools are customizable, allowing you to customize your sessions to meet the needs of your group. Let's take a look at the Facilitation Guide. This guide provides a fully scripted facilitation for the Fundamentals content. You'll see a thumbnail of each associated PowerPoint slide, along with scripting and any special notes to the facilitator. Next is your PowerPoint presentation. You'll find that this content supports the facilitated activities outlined in the Facilitation Guide. They're a great starting point for your presentation, and again, they're customizable. For some of the modules, you'll find handouts that support the facilitated content to help learners engage even more. Here's a couple of examples to give you an idea of what you can expect to find. Finally, make sure to check out the link to the Catalyst Facilitator resource page. Additional materials are available there to support you in your Everything DiSC on Catalyst sessions. You'll find FAQs, templates, samples, and troubleshooting tips. As Catalyst is an ever-evolving platform, you'll also find platform release notes to keep you updated as we add new features and content to the platform. We encourage you to take some time to dig into the rest of the facilitation kit and explore everything you have access to. Remember that you can customize everything to meet the needs of your audience, so be creative. Thanks for watching and enjoy your facilitated sessions.